doing you. I am doing a haul video for you guys. Yay! Finally! How long? Like, it's been so long. I have things from months ago that I've been collecting. So I'm doing this as a collective haul. There's lots of different places. There's stuff from Edmonton and like, yeah, this is a huge haul. I'm just gonna show you guys what I got at Walmart here first because I just got back from Walmart. Also, I got this shirt. It doesn't really look that cute when I put it on. I'm gonna show you guys all the clothing items on. This is the first shirt. You can see these. Honestly, I'll probably just take them out, and then if you see my nipples, and like not on YouTube, but in person, I don't care. So white always does, not always, but it's hard to find a white shirt, and I thought that this one would do that because of that, but now it just looks like I smuggled 2 tortilla chips or something like that. Like, anyways, this one is medium large, $11.99 from Urban Planet, by the way. Anyways, now on to the Walmart stuff that I just got. Also, do we stand this look right now? I really like it. I think it's cute. It's like not really my style, but we're trying to make it. Okay, so the first thing is this short. It looks like it's been worn. Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna use it as like a chill shirt. I got it in an extra large. This is the only thing I'm not gonna try on for you guys because you'll probably see it a lot on the vlog channel. It's just the Powerpuff Girls, and it's just an oversized shirt that I can just lounge in, edit in, be a bum in, lazy, you know, grab my food from Skip the Dishes in a hurry, maybe nobody will see my coochie, and then run back in the house. That's what this shirt's gonna be for $12.97. I think that's a good deal for that. I love these like shirts. And then I got some toiletry replacements. I need a deodorant. I've never used this one before. It's Secret in Cherry Blossom, aluminum free. But then I saw a TikTok that's like, if you see aluminum free, the ingredients actually have aluminum or something. I don't know. Anyways, I just got it. If you guys have any suggestions of natural deodorants, let me know because I don't want to put aluminum or anything gross on my body. Me, as I've had countless plastic surgery procedures and get lip filler. Anyway, I got new toothpaste. It's Colgate Optic White Advance. This keeps these pearly whites all pearlin'. And then I wanted to try this face mask. Don't know if it's gonna be good. It's by St. Ives. It smooths away dryness and evens skin texture. My skin it needs that right now. I need a chemical peel or something, but your girl doesn't want to spend the money. So for the meantime, I got this by St. Ives. Gentle, smooth, oatmeal scrub and mask. Yum. And that was everything I got from Walmart. And now I'm gonna move on to my trip to Edmonton. Okay, I'm so excited to show you guys. I have like, I don't know why I took so long. It's because it's me, right? Okay, so the first place, Forever 21. They took away the Forever 21, I think all in Canada, and then even the Canadian website. My favorite one was West Edmonton Mall, and I was so sad when it left. And it turned into, I don't even know, some like skateboard store or like snowboard store or something. Anyway, and then they brought it back in the same location, and I was shook. So I went and I got a ton of really cute things. I got these. $10 for 3 different pairs of huge ho hoops. And nice little pastel colors. Ho hoops. I'll show you just all the jewelry first. Oh, yay. Oh no, we have got them sorted. I'm so excited. This is a layered necklace. As you guys have been seeing, I've been loving layering necklaces, especially gold ones, especially cheap gold ones, because if they get tangled up like I just showed you, it's not that big of a deal. So here's the first one that I got. It is $13 for it. And these are all the little layers. It says love. There's a beautiful butterfly there, and then just a simple gold chain. This one's the second one. It just has like a really cheap looking big fake diamond, and it really represented me, and this was $6. This one simply says baddie. Of course I would get this. $10 for this. Okay, now on to the clothes. Okay, I've already worn. Oh, I got some rings too, girl. I didn't even remember this. $8, it's so cheap. Some stackable rings that look like this. These are so cute, like so cute. And what the hell? More rings! This is why you haul shit when you buy it. This was 12. Why is 12? Oh, that's why. These are cute. These are, is that broken? Oh no, his wing is just deformed. Me. So these are these look cute. I wore this at the club in Edmonton. I got lots of compliments on it, and you guys were replying to my story saying dang, so thank you. I don't know how much this is because I ripped off the tag and wore it, but it's a two-piece outfit. Looks like this. So cute. I love the patchwork. And I brought no club clothes. Like everything I was fug. So when I went to Forever 21, I was guaranteeing myself to buy an outfit, and this did not disappoint. It's so cute. It came together as a set. Sometimes they do a thing where it's like buy the top and then the bottom. This came together as a set. This is a little top here, and I got it in a size small. So cute. Next, I love this little I cannot wait for summer and summer clothes. I got this Toon Squad. I don't know why I just decided to yell that. Anyways, it's cute. It's cute. From far away, it's like, what's on, like, did you puke on your shirt? But then when you go close up, it's like, oh, it's those hoes. Me. This was 20 bucks. I feel like that's expensive for Forever 21. Anyways, I'm mad. I got this little stretchy, shirt. I think it was in the workout section, but I don't know who in the right mind could work out in a long sleeve, but that's not me. I hope this isn't see-through. White can sometimes be see-through. I mean, what the hell is that? This one was $25, and it says, for moisture management, wicking fabric helps you keep dry and cool. Well, that's good. I'll wear this in the summer, and we will see. But I like how it was nice and cropped. I always love grabbing just some leggings. These ones are a size small, and these are $12 leggings. Like, so good, and I think these are cropped a little. Ew. Oh well, we'll make them work. They're just basic leggings. I don't need to show you guys those on. I got this that was so me. It says Barbie, but it's not actually it is rhinestones, but it's pearls. Like, it's pearls and rhinestones, and it says Barbie, and it looks like old. Like, it looks like it went through the wash a couple times. And then I saw this off the side. Like, do I leave this here? Do I leave this here or do I take it off? I think I'm gonna leave it on. It says Barbie Boss or Boss Barbie, and it's like this little, like, I don't know, but I'm leaving it on because that's who I am. And this was $26.99, and I got it in a size large so it could be a little oversized. I just got some pasties in case I needed some for the club, in case that outfit was a little see-through. And they're good to have, and it's only $6, so they're just nipple covers if you wear something and it shows. Anyway, I did wear this as well. I think we went out twice. Like, who do we think we are? So I took the tag off of this. I definitely wore this. So I don't remember how much this was. This was in a size small, and a lot of people really liked this dress on me. It was very Kardashian vibes. It's very stretchy. I didn't put any of the tags in here or their receipts, so I can't tell you the prices of those. I'm gonna show you guys. This is Morphe. So I'll show you guys the brushes first. It's so crazy to me how cheap Morphe is, and it's good. It's good quality. I'm burping. Disgusting. I just took a Tums because I have heartburn. Queen. It's probably because I'm wearing this corset and it's sucking in my insides, and it's like, and my body's like, no. It's probably not heartburn. It's probably my heart actually burning. That's scary. These brushes were, I don't know, they already had some kind of sale. Oh, they had 50% off store-wide. So one of these brushes was $5 and it came out to $2. Oh no, I'm a liar. One of them was $6 and it came out to $3, and then the other one was $6, came out to $3. So the $3, like literally the dollar store could never. Like, I'm shocked. So this is, let me just open it up. What am I even doing? You're like looking through the plastic, like it's probably reflecting off the ring light. I have good brushes, but I just wanted, you know, for like $3 to get, like, this is something that I don't have. So this is an M210 small chisel fluff brush. This would be so good for the inner corner. So good for doing cut creases too. So that's why I got this. And then this one, and $3, like what? I also love the Morphe store. The girls in there are so nice. They're always so, like, helpful and, like, not bitchy at all. Like, some stores, some makeup stores, like, you feel like a burden. I'm like, should I be here? And then this one here is a M213 smudger brush. So it's very, very similar to this one. One's just a little bit bigger. They're like both like flat brushes. I call them flat brushes. They're like, put some respect on my name. Next thing I got 2 pairs of lashes, which these were, I'm so confused. One of them were $16, the premium ones. These ones were originally $16, so I got them for $8. And then these ones, I don't think she charged me for. They're not on here. That's not funny. They're not on here. I got them for free, and I didn't know. I didn't pack this bag, okay? So, anyways, $0. What a savings. So anyway, I don't know what's happening here. Okay, well, anyways, they're like this, and they're called Glambassador. They're the premium lashes. $8 for these is a really good price. We do not know, but they are intoxicating me in an hour. This I have already used. This, oh my God, Sour Patch Kids. The packaging on here is insane. I loved it so much. I literally was drawn to it. This was a setting spray, and I don't have a lot of setting sprays. To have it smell like Sour Patch Kids and it's cute, that's something that I want and I need. Originally $25, I got it for $12.50. It smells exactly like Sour Patch Kids. Like, it's kind of like intimidating. Like, oh, but it smells so good. And the last two things are two lippies, because all I do is wear Morphe lippies. Like, that's what I'm wearing right now. Love. Oh, I did. These are on here, $7, and these are the only things that were original price, $7. Okay, these were on there. They're the top ones. They were before the everything else saying, because it says 50% off, like, starting here, I'm pretty sure. So these were, I was like, what the hell? Those are full price. Anyway, I got this liquid lip in Virgin. Can't relate. It was $14. I got it for $7. This is like every lip shade that I have, but I love it and I use them, and I need new liquid lips because all mine are getting crusty. Please focus. I can relate to the crusty. So this is what color it looks like. It's a beautiful nude. And then I got a lip liner because that's what I'm wearing right now. It's what I usually do is just wear a lip liner on its own and then put gloss over top of it. Remember my nipples out? Anyway, this is the one I got, and it's in Makeup Talk. And this was $5 on sale for $2.50. $2.50. So when I'm a little bit more tanned, this is just gonna be such an amazing color, but I'm like pale. Like, I'm like Casper who. But that's what I got in Edmonton. But now I'm gonna show you guys what I got the other day at Urban Planet to close out this haul. Urban Planet! I love this time of year when we're starting to like think about spring and spring clothes and getting like colorful, and nothing's as gloomy and droop. Actually, it's freezing as F outside right now. But we're getting into the spirit of this kind of color, like inmate. Just kidding. He's kind of reminded me of being an inmate. I don't know why I would laugh at that. It's not funny. I don't need any more sweatpants, but I really like these. These say Playboy. Hold on, let me show you the right way. They said Playboy right here, scrunchels on the bottom, and then there's a Playboy bunny, and I thought there was a pocket. Yeah, pockets on the side of them, drawstring. I was obsessed with these. Like, I was like, inmate vibes. $40? There had to have been a sale. There has to have been a sale. I would have not. Nope. Oh, it was a buy one, get one for a penny. Oh, so something else was gonna be a penny. So I bought them, but then something else is a penny. Okay, so that's gonna be, just imagine that for all the other items. Okay, so it's buy one, get one for a penny. Pennies don't exist anymore, but these are cute. I really like them. I'm gonna go prance around in those because I think they are cute. The next thing that I got was this magic set. And when I picked this out, Austin clocked me and he was like, don't you have like pretty much something like this? And I was like, yep. And I want another one. I was like, DJ Khaled, another one. But this was so adorable, and I was like, come on, spring, summer, spring, summer. This is so cute. It's so cute. I do have something like this from Shein already, but this, oh my God, it's falling apart. It is literally falling apart in my hands right now. Do you see this? Oh my God, it's like, it's actually like fraying everywhere. Oh well, whew, my boobs are not gonna like this. Look at this. Do you see that? It's, my camera doesn't want to focus, but it's like literally fraying everywhere. This is the worstly made, honestly, we love this. This is the outside of the shirt. But anyway, don't know why I bought it. $15.99, and then the bottoms are you a skirt or are you shorts? So skirts. These are skirts, so it has a little plaid moment. I got these in a small, and when I got it, I immediately regretted it. I was like, should have got a medium because my butt's gonna like hang right out. They're shorts like this, but I don't know if it's gonna fit me. So I didn't try on anything. So I haven't tried on anything. I really just am so lazy. So I got this, so cute. This is so cute. I wanna wear this next, like so, oh, look at this lime green. It's like neon. Kind of hurts your eyes to look at it. And it says very faintly Playboy. I don't know why they have so many Playboy things, and it's so soft, and it's just like a cute little crop. I think that's gonna be see-through too, but we have pasties. So okay, also I know I look like trash, but I know that I should have wore a nude bra, or maybe no bra, or something underneath a lot of these, but I'm just showing you them on and I'm too lazy, so I'm just wearing the bra that I'm wearing right now, okay? Okay, anyways, I look like trash. Continue on with me looking better. Next, I got just this. This was $1 because I didn't have enough things like to do $1 or 1 penny, sorry, a penny. I didn't have enough things, so I just saw this on like the rack. I was like, I'll just grab that. So this is a medium and it's just like this. So this was a penny. So I wear these all the time. You can wear these under things, layers. This, the first thing I grabbed. I love this set so much. So one of them I got for full push, one of them I got for a penny. So the one I probably paid full price for is this, $30, and this is size small. And this is, I don't know who that is, but Summer Rae. She's like, has this big collection there. I don't know who that is. Summer Rae. These are high-waisted. I love the color. They're nice and nude and very, very stretchy. I hope my booty looks popping in these. And then I got the matching top that looks like this. It is so cute, like literally so cute. $19.99, so these ones would have been a penny, but look at how cute this set is. Like, you can sometimes find amazing things at Urban Planet. Okay, I wanted just this basic top. I thought it was cute. Now that I'm really thinking about it, I don't think it's cute. I think it's very, like, I don't know, I just think it's ugly, but maybe when I put it on, also I feel like it's gonna be so boobified, but we'll see. So it's also not even Urban Planet brand, it's Ambiance, and this was $12. So the one that I got for a penny, because I remember I was like, I'm not gonna take this. I feel like this is just like so basic that I probably will never wear it. And she's like, well, you can get it for a penny. And I was like, you are so right. So I got this one for a penny. And it has like little ties on the side. I like the color of it. It is cute though, but that concludes the haul. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I love you guys so much. This little piece of strand from that outfit, yeah, it's just gonna fall apart when I put it on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Love you. Bye.